morning, my buddy bakers. Not going to lie, little stiff this morning because I was doing my leg day yesterday with Joe Wicks. And this morning, oh my goodness. But I'm telling you now, I could crack nuts with my guts. So this morning, I'm doing something delicious, delectable, and very old-fashioned. Now, for those of you who remember Theodora Fitzgibbon years ago, this is a recipe that I fell in love with at the age of 7, a couple of years ago, when my granny showed me how to make this. Now, it was my dad's favourite as well, and today I just had that inkling to make it this morning. It's an orange marmalade and coconut tea bake. It is soft, fluffy, squidgy, deliciousness. It is absolutely beautiful, but there's a bit of a twist. So, we have got, just pushing this aside, as you can see, have a look at our bake this morning. Look at that crumb, look at the crumb. If there was a crumb alert, if there was a soft, delicious alert, oh my God. So, we are starting with 100 grams of butter, and we've got 100 grams of castor sugar. So, 100 grams of butter, 100 grams of castor sugar, 100 grams of self-raising flour, 2 eggs, 75 grams of coconut. Now, coconut on me, we've a passion, coconut on me. I would eat coconut through dirty sock. My sister, however, Dee, thinks this is the devil's dandruff because she can't stand coconut. I, on the other hand, absolutely adore coconut. So Dee, this is for me, and not for you, because you hate coconut. And then I've got about 140 grams of Seville marmalade. Now, I have gone through so many different types of marmalade. Foilon is a lovely orange marmalade, but the one that just hits the spot with me is Gronia's. Gronia McClancy, I know it's not you, but it's a Gronia's marmalade in Aldi, and it is absolutely divine. It's a Seville orange. Try not to get a sweet orange. This has a beautiful thick cut orange peel, which lends itself very well to this particular bake. So, we have got 100 grams of castor sugar, 100 grams of butter. We have got 100 grams of self-raising flour, 75 grams of coconut, and 2 free-range eggs. So, in they go to my beautiful mixer. Push this aside so you shall see the action rocking and rolling. This is an amazing recipe for kids because can I make something for Granny now that we'll be able to see her soon? This is the cake to bake. It's light, it's fluffy, it's delicious. So, again, we have got our butter and we've got our sugar. So Sophie, if you want to come in and just have a little into the bowl. So we've got soft butter and we've got castor sugar. This is where, I know it's weird, I'm adding my self-raising flour, all of it. All the self-raising flour goes in, boom, till you go. So it looks a bit like cookie dough. Give it a speed up. Turn it down a bit. So have a good look at that dough now there, please, for me, Sophie, so that people can see that, look, it looks like a cookie crumb. Do not fret. So the flour goes in after the butter and sugar, which I know is unusual because a lot of people add their egg. I don't. I just find it gives a beautiful crumb. Down it goes again. Speed it up. Now I'm going to add my eggs, one at a time. Look at those little blobs of sunshine going into our coconut cake. And you're not going to only be happy looking at things like this. In it goes. Followed by our 75 grams of coconut, baby. Coconut. Turn it down a little. Our marmalade. Oh, the smell of absolutely divine. And as I mentioned, try and get a Seville marmalade. And that is it, lads. Look at this. I love coconut. I love coconut. I love so much coconut. Boom. Clean as you go. Deals. 8 containers for $1.50. I'm not endorsed by Deals, they're just fantastic containers. So I have got this beautiful batter. So we've got our butter, our sugar for our gorgeous orange marmalade coconut cake. So, thank you, Ken, you're amazing. And I've got a prepared 2 pound Loaf tin. Now it's just funny because I did make the mistake. I grabbed a tin yesterday thinking it was a 2 pound tin. Think of it, it's by about 11 and a half across. So put it into your 2 pound tin, lined 2 pound tin. Forgot my glasses, which are on top of my head, so I hope to goodness this goes into the pot and not on the tabletop. Oh, I cannot tell you, the smell of this is just divine. You've got coconut and marmalade. Technically, this could be your breakfast. Because you know, marmalade, you have to have marmalade for your breakfast. And you know, coconut. So, coconut is not the devil's dandruff. It is delicious. I would have it on absolutely everything. So, this is going to go into an oven, preheated at 180 for about 35 minutes. Check it at 30 minutes. So you have your beautiful bake, which is going to go into the oven now. Alexa, set timer for 30 minutes, please.
30 minutes, starting now.
Thank you. Very important for your P's and Q's with Alexa. So there we have our coconut orange marmalade loaf cake. Kaboom! That only took us minutes. Fabulous for kids to do for Granny. So I shall see you tomorrow at 10.